Hello student, welcome back. I hope you have watched the previous video. Today's lesson is indices, that is 12th lesson. If you find this interesting, please subscribe and share among your friends. Let's begin the lesson. Okay children, we will revise what we have learned about indices. Now what are the terms you have learned in this part? You have learned indices, base, values, powers. These are the terms you have learned in this part. This product. Here 3 is repeatedly multiplied 4 times. So we can write this as a power. Then 4 is called an index. 3 is called the base. Now the value of this product is 81. Then this is a product, this is the power, this is the value. Now see another example. Here third power of negative 4. Then take the expansion form. Then take the value. First decide the sign of the answer. Negative, negative, positive, positive, negative. The value is negative. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. Now see another example. Then second power of 2/5. Then write this as a product. Then here 2 into 2, 4. 5 into 5, 25. About power of a product and product of powers. Then see this example. Here second power of the product x and y. Now take the expansion form here, xy into xy. Then take the product of like terms. Then this product can be written as x to the power 2. This product can be written as y to the power 2. Then this is called power of a product. This is called product of powers. Quotient and a quotient of powers. See this example, x over y power 2. Now take the expansion form, x over y into x over y. Then here product is x to the power 2, here y to the power 2. Now this is called a power of a quotient. This is called a quotient of powers. Okay children, now let's talk about rules of indices and their applications. In this lesson we have to learn 5 rules of indices. Now we will learn one by one. Is products of powers with the same base. Now I first identify the powers with the same base, a to the power 2, a to the power 5. Now see, these bases are equal, therefore these are called powers with the same base. Now see the product of these powers of equal bases. Now write the expansion form of this. First power a into a, second power is now we can take this product without brackets. Now here a is repeatedly multiplied 7 times, so we can write this as a power a to the power 7. Now we took this answer using the product of these 2 equal powers. Now we can take this answer by adding these two indices. Then we can write a to the power 2 into a to the power 5. Then take the sum of two indices. Then answer is a to the power 7. Then product of two equal powers, indices can be added. Then this relation we can write as a general form. Now this is the product of equal bases. Then indices are added. Then we can write this product taking product of three equal powers. Then indices are added. Now we will do some calculations. See the first example. A to the power 2 into a to the power 7. Now this is a product of two equal powers because bases are equal. According to this rule, take the sum of two indices, then answer is a to the power 9. Now see the second example. Second example is x3 in x to the power 3 into y to the power 2 into x to the power 2 into y. Now write equal products together, x3 into x2 and y to the power 2 into y. Now what is the power here? Then power here, index is here 1. Now using this rule, these are the product of two equal powers. So take the sum of indices. Then here using the same rule, now x5 into y to the power 3. This is the answer. Third example, 2x5 into 5x2. Now you have seen here multiplication of two numbers. Then write the numbers firstly. Then product of these two numbers 10. Then take the sum of indices here. Then answer is 10x7. Now see the second rule, quotients of powers with the same base. Now see here. Now this is the division of two equal powers. Now I am going to simplify this using two methods. Now see the method 1. Then write this as a division, as a fraction. Now write the expansion form of numerator and denominator. Now we can simplify this way. Then remaining product as a power, a to the power 3. Then we took this answer, division of these two equal powers. Now we can take this answer by subtracting these two indices. So see the method 2. Division of two equal powers. Now we can take this answer by subtracting these two indices. Then answer is 3. Now quotients of powers with same base can be taken by subtracting two indices. Now we can learn this as a general form. This is division of two equal powers. Then take the answer by subtracting two indices. Now let's do some calculations. See the first one. A8 divided by a to the power 2. Now you can see here division of two equal powers. So we can use this rule. Do subtraction of indices. Then what is the answer? A, 8 minus 2. Answer is a to the power 6. Now see the second example. 15 A 10 divide by 3 A to the power 3. Now see here. Now first simplify numbers. What is the answer when simplify numbers? Divide 15 by 3. Then answer is 5. Now here division of two equal powers. Then A10 to subtraction of two indices. Then 5 a to the power 7 is the answer. The rule of indices, that is negative indices. Now see this expression. A to the power 2 divided by a to the power 5. Now this expression can be simplified in two methods. Then see the methods 1. Here using the second rule, division of two equal powers, then do subtraction here, then answer is a to the power negative 3. Now see the method 2. Write this as a fraction and take the expansion form of numerator and denominator. Then right hand side expression can be simplified in this way. Then answer is 1 over, write this as a power, a to the power 3. Now there are two answers for the same expression. Therefore these two should be equal. Then this is a negative index. Negative index can be converted as positive index, taking the reciprocal of this negative index. Now this can be written as a relation like this. And also we can write 1 over a to the power negative n as a positive index, taking reciprocal here a to the power n, and see this fraction a to the power negative n, b to the power negative n, both indices are negative value, can be written as a positive index by taking the reciprocal b to the power positive n over a to the power positive n. We will do some calculations using the third rule. See the first example. Find the value of the following. Now convert this negative index as a positive one by taking the reciprocal here. Then this negative value, negative 5, here positive 5. Then take the expansion form. Then answer is 1 over 32. Now see the second question. Find the value of 1 over 5 to the power negative 2. Now write this as a positive index by taking the reciprocal here, 5 to the power positive 2. Then answer is 25. Fourth rule of indices, that is 0 index. Now see this power. Here index is 0, therefore this is called a power with index 0. Now see this expression. Now this expression can be simplified in two ways. Now see the first method. Now using the second rule, we can write division of two equal powers. Do subtraction of indices, 5 minus 5, then answer is a to the power 0. Now see the second method. Now write this division as a fraction and write the expansion form. Now this expression can be simplified in this way. Then here answer is 1. Now there are two answers for the same expression. Therefore two answers should be equal. That is a to the power 0 equal 1. Then 0 index of any power is equal to 1. This can write as a relation a to the power 0 equal 1. We will find the answers for these questions. Now this using the fourth rule. See the first question, 2 to the power 0 into 3, then 2 to the power 0, 0 index of any base equal to 1, 1 into 3. The answer is 3. Now see the second example. Here numerator is product of two equal powers. Then using the first rule, take the sum of two indices. Divide y to the power 6. Then 4 plus 2 is y to the power 6. Y to the power 6. Here answer using the second rule, 6 minus 6. Answer is y to the power 0. Answer is 1. 0 index of any power. Now see the third example. Find the value of negative 4 index 0. Then answer is 0 index of any base is 1. Now finally, this is the fifth rule, power over power. Now see this expression. Here is the third power of x to the power 2. Expansion form of this. Here x to the power 2 is multiplied repeatedly 3 times. Now using the first rule of indices, this is a product of 3 equal powers. So take the sum of indices. Therefore here answer is 6. Now we can take this answer by multiply these two powers. Therefore fifth rule is power over power. We can write here m into n, product of these two powers. Then simplest form is n. Find the values of these questions. Now first one, 2 power over power, then 2 to the power 4 into 2, then 2 to the power 8. Now 2 to the power 8, you can take the answer by writing expansion form as 256. Now see the second example. Take the product of two powers using this rule. 2 into 2, negative 2, negative 4. Convert this negative index as a positive one by taking the reciprocal of this. Then answer is 1 over 3 to the power 4 is 81. Now see the third one. 0 index of 2 is 1. Here power over power 2 to the power 4. 2 into 2, 4. 1 plus 2 to the power 4 is 16. Then answer is 17. Okay children, now lesson is over. So go through the lesson and do all the exercises in your textbook. Thank you for listening. We will meet again.